Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Hye-sun and Shin Hye-sun fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for a fortune analysis of Hye-sun and Shin Hye-sun. There was an application from an overseas YouTube subscriber. They had an amazing harmony. What would it be like? Let's analyze it together. Hye-sun and Shin Hye-sun are both rain in their fortunes. Rain is very emotional and delicate. They have something in common from the start. I think they have a lot of connections because they are of the same disposition. Hye-sun has a conflict in his fortune. He must be sensitive. Their sensitivity also leads to psychological anxiety, but it also gives subtlety. So there will be some benefits as an actor, and the letters that mean popularity are in a strong position. Shin Hye-sun has a strong disposition to make a good start in her fortune. She can start a new life well anytime without getting tired of it. Then let's do a detailed analysis. Hye-sun has a flow of energy that begins with honor and flows into input energy and into himself. So far, it's a very passive fortune structure, but there is also a very active fortune structure that leads to art and wealth. It's a good fortune that has all the energy he needs in his fortune. It is a structure that can adapt well to any job. However, there is a conflict and it gives sensitivity. There is a strong energy that corresponds to wealth and women, but it conflicts with the latter. It means that there may be a disagreement with the spouse, but the principle of alternative experience exists in fortune. If he experiences this problem in acting, it may not happen in real life. Hye-sun may follow the woman's opinion a lot because his energy is somewhat weaker than her energy. Hye-sun is passive and has the energy to accept it, so I think he will follow it well. And the energy that means art is also used to treat women well. Hye-sun, who plays various characters perfectly, has the potential of acting and the flow of various energies in fortune. A letter that means wealth is the energy that increases one's value. Hye-sun is a wonderful actor who continued to make efforts to increase his value. Shin Hye-sun has a structure in which energy is following well into honor, input energy, and self. Start with the letters meaning wealth. A letter that means wealth and honor is a combination of giving leadership qualities. This is a combination marked with a pink box, and her energy is very powerful. I think Shin Hye-sun will be good at reading Hye-sun. Hye-sun is not very strong in his argument, but I think he will accept Shin Hye-sun's argument well. They also have something in common, that input energy exists in the most powerful locations. Input energy is a much related property to academic capacity, collecting, organizing information, and considering history important. I'd like to give them 88% of their fortune harmony score. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.